Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have something special for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of ceiling speakers, and we've got a real gem for you.
These are the Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83 and Ceiling 8 speakers, and they claim to be the best sounding ceiling speakers in the market.
Are they worth the hype? Let's find out.
But before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews.
Now, let's get started.
The Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83 is a pair of 8-in ceiling speakers designed for home theaters and audio enthusiasts looking to elevate their sound experience. They come in a pack of 2 pairs, totaling 4 speakers. With a 3-way design and a whopping 1400 watts of power handling, these speakers promise to deliver an immersive audio experience like no other.
Let's take a closer look at what sets these speakers apart.
First off, the Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83 can handle 1400 watts of power, ensuring they can pump out sound even in large spaces without distortion.
This is perfect for creating a cinematic experience in your home theater. These speakers are not your ordinary ceiling speakers.
They feature a 3-way design with an 8-woofer, poly-mica midranges, and 13mm soft dome tweeters, along with 3-way passive crossovers. This means you get a wide range of frequencies, from deep lows to crystal clear highs. The speakers boast high-rigidity polypropylene cones with progressive spiders and butyl rubber surrounds, ensuring durability and precise sound reproduction. The result?
A clean and accurate audio performance. Installing these speakers is a breeze.
The package includes a cutout template and step-by-step instructions to help you get them set up quickly and efficiently. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let's see what real users have to say about the Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83. As we can see from the reviews, customers are thrilled with these speakers. They praise the great sound quality, ease of installation, and excellent value for money.
Many even compare them favorably to more expensive brands. So, there you have it, folks.
The Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83 and Ceiling 8 speakers is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio setup. With their powerful performance, top-notch materials, and easy installation, they certainly live up to the hype of being the best-sounding ceiling speakers on the market. If you want to transform your home theater or audio setup, these speakers are worth every penny. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals on the Acoustic Audio Carbon Monosulfide IC83. As always, if you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.